Welcome, beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? The Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Guess. Yes, you're correct. Stew June Plum. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi. If you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, and subscriber, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up. So let's get started. So for the stewed June plum, we need 4 June plum, and not the ripe one, the green ones. 1 cup of dark sugar, a piece of ginger, 4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're gonna wash your June plum on the cold water before you're even thinking of cutting them up. You're gonna remove the stem right there, and let us begin to cut. Just be careful of the knife and your hand, and you want to cut as deep as you can go in the seed. I don't know what happened nowadays. You can't find any big June plum like these, but I was so fortunate to get these big ones. And remember, it's not the ripe June plum. To make the stew, you have to use the green ones. As you can see, a little part of the seed, so I will be cutting deep in to get all the flesh from the seed. See, I'm trying to get all the flesh out from the seed. So when you finish cut, you just want to go in. Just take your time and just cut between. So this is the seed of the June plum. We don't need this, we're gonna pour this out. So moving on, we finished cut on the June plum. Boy, I'm telling you guys, June plum is a sour something. It's sour like lime. Remember getting all that green June plum to heat. You dose it in the salt and you rub the salt, and when you heat, you knit up your high brown. Oh, it's sour, I'm telling you. But sometimes you get some sweet one, especially we always love when it ripe and yellow and juicy. You put some salt on that and you all squeeze it in a plastic bag and keep sucking it like suck. Remember those days? Wow, I'm telling you guys. But when you stew it, it's so nice. You stew it down and you carry it to school in some little plastic bag and you share between you and your friend. I'm telling you. So this is the ginger. We just cut up the ginger. Let me get the ginger a little finer. The ginger, it does look pretty, but I tell you, it's not strong. So you just cut the ginger as fine as possible, and just be careful, guys, of that knife and your finger. So with the water boiling up, guys, I'm adding the sugar and the ginger, and I want to stir So the June plum going in now. So beautiful people, you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe so I can reach a wider audience. And like this video, share this video with your friend, a friend, friend of a friend, friend of a friend, friend. And hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And leave a big like, a big thumbs up. So now we're gonna cover the pot and you're gonna let this boil for at least 1 hour. Before I cover the pot, let me add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon. And this enhances the flavor and the taste. And you're just gonna cover and let it boil on medium heat. So my beautiful people, it is time to check in on the stewed June plum. 1 hour. But between that hour, each time you just have to ensure that you scrape all the juices that stick to the side. You just want to scrape it down in the pot. And look, we have a you see, like a thick syrup, almost look like a jam. You see how thick it is, and it's hot now, so when it gets colder it's gonna be thicker. So don't go away, let me move on to the next step. So we just gonna turn the stove off. Stewed June plum. Hey my beautiful people, look at this. Ain't it looking delicious? Our stewed June plum is now ready. Go ahead, give it a try. I know you will like it. Even the children will love it. I'm telling you. Ain't it looking tasty? So beautiful people, I thank you for watching. Please take care. So thank you my beautiful people. Take care. And above all, please take care of each other. I love you. Peace, and I've seen you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.